Did you know that the secret to cleaner air and a healthier home might be right outside your window? See what Dr. Barbara O'Neill says.
Something that is a wonderful air purifier is sunshine. And that's why we should open our windows and let the sunshine in. If you have big trees around your house, you won't have lovely pure air in that house. Houses should be high and dry and let the air flow through the house.
Fresh air and sunshine are two of the most powerful natural healers we often overlook. Dr. Barbara O'Neill shares some surprising benefits that might just change your perspective on nature. And in today's video, we're bringing those benefits straight to you. We'll also provide practical tips to help you make the most of fresh air and sunshine. Stay tuned until the end. You'll be surprised at how something so simple can benefit your health in such a big way. Let's get started. 1. Respiratory issues. We breathe all the time, but are we always breathing clean, fresh air? Unfortunately, indoor air can be full of dust, allergens, and even harmful chemicals. Whether it's from cooking fumes, cleaning products, or just poor ventilation, the air inside our homes can sometimes make it harder for our lungs to function properly. That's why fresh air is so important for your respiratory system. When you step outside and breathe in fresh air, it helps cleanse your lungs. Even short periods outside allow you to take in oxygen-rich air that can clear out the dust and pollutants that may have accumulated in your lungs while you've been indoors. This is especially important for anyone who suffers from respiratory issues like asthma or allergies, as spending too much time in stuffy environments can trigger flare-ups. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, one simple way to get the benefits of fresh air inside your home is by opening your windows regularly. Even if it's just for 10 to 15 minutes each day, letting the outside air in helps improve ventilation and keeps your home from becoming a stagnant air zone. You can also place a few indoor plants around. They act like natural air purifiers by absorbing toxins and releasing fresh oxygen into your living space. 2. Depression and anxiety. Have you ever noticed how a gloomy, rainy day can leave you feeling down, while a bright, sunny day instantly boosts your mood? That's no coincidence. Sunshine is a powerful natural antidepressant. It triggers your brain to produce more serotonin, the hormone that makes you feel good and helps regulate your mood. If you're struggling with depression or anxiety, especially during the winter months, spending time in the sun can make a noticeable difference. Many people suffer from seasonal affective disorder, SAD, a type of depression that's related to changes in seasons and reduced sunlight. One of the best ways to combat SAD and improve your mental health in general is by exposing yourself to natural sunlight. Even if you don't have time to take a long walk outside, you can let the sun work its magic in your home. Open your curtains in the morning to let in as much natural light as possible. If you have a sunny spot in your home, consider creating a sunshine corner where you can sit and soak up the rays while reading a book or having your morning coffee. If natural light is hard to come by, especially during winter, you might consider using light therapy lamps designed to mimic sunlight and boost serotonin production. 3. Immune system weakness. Your immune system is your body's defense against infections, and both fresh air and sunlight can give it a much-needed boost. How, you ask? For one, sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in keeping your immune system strong. Vitamin D enhances your body's ability to fight off infections and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. In fact, many people suffer from vitamin D deficiency simply because they don't get enough sun exposure. This can make you more vulnerable to illnesses, especially during colder months when we tend to stay indoors. By spending just 15 to 30 minutes a day in the sunlight, you can give your body the vitamin D it needs to stay healthy. But what about fresh air? Indoor air can often be stagnant and filled with germs, especially if your home isn't well ventilated. Breathing in fresh, clean air outdoors helps your body get rid of toxins and supports the healthy functions of your cells. This, in turn, strengthens your immune defenses. To keep the air inside your home fresh, you might want to open your windows for a few minutes every day, especially during the cooler months when we're tempted to keep everything closed up. If you live in an area with high pollution, try placing air purifying plants near your windows to improve indoor air quality. Also, try taking short breaks to step outside during the day, even if it's just to stretch your legs. A quick breath of fresh air can do wonders for your immune system. Enjoying the video? Show your support by smashing the like button, dropping a comment, and subscribing to the channel to become part of our growing community and never miss a new upload. 4. Skin conditions and disorders. While we're often warned about the dangers of too much sun exposure, a little sunshine in moderation can actually be beneficial for certain skin conditions. Conditions like psoriasis, eczema, and even acne can improve with sunlight. The ultraviolet rays in sunlight help reduce inflammation and can slow down the overproduction of skin cells, which is a common issue for people with psoriasis. Even acne can be improved with some sunlight, as ultraviolet rays help to dry out excess oils and reduce bacteria on the skin. However, it's important to remember that too much sun can cause damage, so always be mindful of how long you're out and use sunscreen if needed. Fresh air also contributes to healthy skin. Stuffy, poorly ventilated environments can trap sweat, oil, and other particles against your skin. This buildup can clog pores and lead to breakouts. By spending more time outside in clean air, you allow your skin to breathe and regenerate. To make the most of sunlight indoors, try setting up areas in your home where sunlight naturally streams in. Let the natural light hit your skin for a few minutes each day. Just make sure not to overdo it. And of course, keeping your windows open for fresh air can help improve your skin's health by allowing your body to expel toxins and stay cool, reducing sweat buildup. 5. Heart health.
Well, there's a few ways that you can ensure that the heart is getting enough oxygen, and that is by the way that you breathe.
When we think about heart health, diet and exercise usually come to mind first, but fresh air and sunshine have some surprising benefits for your heart too. Dr. Barbara O'Neill explains that sunlight helps our bodies produce nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Better circulation means lower blood pressure, which can reduce your risk of heart disease. Spending time in the sun can also help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Fresh air is equally important for your heart. Breathing clean air helps your body take in more oxygen, which improves circulation and takes some of the strain off your heart. Poor air quality, especially in urban areas, can lead to inflammation in the blood vessels, increasing your risk of heart problems. To keep your heart healthy at home, make sure your living space is well ventilated. Open windows to let fresh air circulate, especially if you live in a highly polluted area. If you have a balcony or backyard, spend a few minutes each day outdoors, soaking in the sunshine while breathing in fresh air. It's a small habit that can make a big difference for your heart. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also, be sure to check out these videos.